How can health and safety officers improve the communication? Improving communications has the power to boost safety culture and make workplace safety a shared responsibility. And that makes the job of a safety officer significantly very easier. Fortunately, there are several steps that can be taken to improve the communications. Yes, in this video we will be explain how can health and safety officers improve the communications. Welcome to my video. If you want your workers to report hazards and safety incidents promptly, you need to make it is easy for them. Communication should be simple and facilitated by technology and online tools where relevant. This is very important point because in any incident or small accident is happen inside. Normally nobody is informed to higher authority. You didn't get information from labor. It will be leads to big accident. This instruction must need to clearly inform to your workers and empower the workers. If your workers to report hazards and safety incidents promptly, that we need to clearly give the instruction, clearly give the training to them. Start the top meaning. Safety messaging should be driven from the executive level. Safety officers need to help them to understand the importance of safety for the business. Once they get message that safety reduces staff attrition, increases productivity, reduces cost and boosts brands, they are much more likely to pay attention. That is the start at the point. Next important point is listen to workers. Communication is a two-way street and as such, feedback should be encouraged. Workers should feel able to voice their opinions and concerns without any fear of negative consequences. Sometimes letting workers express their thoughts anonymously can encourage engagement. Next point is act on feedback. Encouraging feedback is no good if it is not taken seriously. Workers should be able to see that issues are listened to and act upon. This will be empower them to become involved in safety initiatives. Next point is accept criticism. We all have room for improvement. So if feedback is directed as safety officers, it should be taken as constructive criticism. After all, the aim is to achieve safety compliance. And that means doing everything effectively, including all safety related roles. That is very important. That means doing everything effectively, including all safety related roles. Next, another point is report back to the top. As we mentioned, the role of the safety officer is ongoing, and communication should from a continuous loop. And when workers realize that their reports and feedback from the part of a broader business vision, they will be encouraged to keep working towards safety goals. Ultimately, if everyone understands the importance of safety initiatives, the process of measuring risk, implementing controls, and ultimately improve the business, then they will be far more likely to get on board. And the only way to ensure they understand is to communicate effectively. By communicating and building a safety culture, Safety officers will be faced far fewer problems in achieving their workplace safety goals, and that means a safer workplace. Effective communication is especially important when it comes to conveying healthy and safely messages. If the wrong message is received, the result can be dangerous as employees and contractors can become safely risk to themselves and others.